All right. Today we're doing a deep dive into the world of search engine optimization
Mm-hmm.
and specifically how AI is just completely redefining it.
It really is.
This is critical if you're a multi-location food brand, think your big fast food chains, casual dining groups, that kind of thing.
That's right. And look, the mission for you today is pretty simple. We're unpacking all this new jargon AI SEO, LLM SEO, and trying to get at what's really happening.
Which is what?
Search is no longer about giving you, 10 blue links. It's about giving you one definitive answer. And if you aren't that answer, you're invisible right when a customer is deciding where to eat.
That definitely sets the stakes. Okay, let's clarify the terms, because
Yeah.
I hear LLM SEO and AI SEO thrown around a lot. I mean, isn't this just a more sophisticated local SEO? Do we really need new jargon?
It's a great question. And yeah, we do, because it's a necessary evolution. There are really three key concepts now. First is AI SEO. That's the big umbrella. It's just using machine learning and natural language processing to make sure your brand is discoverable in any search environment run by AI.
So that's the general approach. What's underneath that umbrella?
Next up is LLM SEO, large language model SEO. This is the really specialized part. You're no longer optimizing a page to rank.
Right.
You're optimizing facts and content so that conversational AI platforms, think ChatGPT, Gemini, Google's AI overviews, can pull them into an accurate answer about your restaurant. You're optimizing for an answer, not a click.
Wow. Okay, optimizing for synthesis instead of just ranking a page? That changes everything. And what's the third piece?
That's semantic SEO. This is the technical bedrock, the foundation that makes the other two actually work. It uses things like schema markup to help you rank for queries like best fast casual restaurant chains near me.
So the goal is to get your brand mentioned across AEO, answer engine optimization, and GEO, geographic optimization.
Exactly. And if we connect this to the bigger picture for these chains, unified digital visibility is everything. A customer expects the same quality and convenience whether they are in Dallas or Detroit.
And you need that consistency, right, to build authority.
You do.
So here's where it gets really interesting for, say, a quick service restaurant brand.
Mm-hmm.
How does using LLM SEO translate into actual trust and discovery for a brand with hundreds of locations?
It dramatically improves local discovery for sure, but the single biggest benefit is strengthening your EEE signals across the entire network.
Whoa, hang on. Let's hit the brakes on the acronyms for a second. EEA.
Yeah.
What is that exactly? And why does one single location affect the whole brand?
Right. EAT stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust. It's basically Google's trust score for your information. And here's the kicker.
Yep.
Because AI overviews often aggregate information across your entire brand,
Yeah.
one poorly managed location with terrible reviews can actually drag down the trust signal for every outlet. The AI doesn't see individual pages, it sees one brand entity.
So the weakest link really can determine the trust level for the whole chain. That means the digital toolkit has to be perfectly aligned, doesn't it?
Perfectly.
What are the non-negotiable technical strategies for these multi-unit brands then?
Well, the foundation starts with a solid multi-location SEO architecture, making sure every brand and outlet page is optimized. But the key technical piece today is implementing specialized schema for locations and menus.
And why is that specific type of schema so important now? I mean, beyond just having structured data.
Because it's the only way to guarantee the AI provides real-time accurate facts. If a customer asks an AI assistant for your hours or pricing, the AI pulls that data directly from your schema.
And without it?
Without it, the AI might just guess or hallucinate, or it'll pull outdated information, and that's a direct failure of trust. Couple that with mobile-first performance, consistent location keywords, and of course reputation monitoring at the local level.
It's a lot to manage.
It is. Ultimately, the core insight here is that the paradigm has shifted. It's not about how you rank, but what you optimize for. You have to move from optimizing for a search engine to optimizing for an answer engine.
So what does this all mean for you? Well, restaurant chains that align AI SEO, LLM SEO, and that semantic relevance,
Yep.
they aren't just trying to stay visible.
Mhm.
They are actively dictating the information an AI gives to a hungry customer.
Mm.
And think about this. If you don't feed the machine the facts, someone else's brand will be the definitive answer when that hunger strikes.